Allison Belfour. I am Director of Marketing at Tint World. Today we are at the Tint World Carmel grand opening event here, and it's been a great day so far. Had some wonderful turnout here, some really cool cars coming in, some work being done right now. We've got some really great raffles and giveaways going on later today, so really great event, really excited to be here.
This is one of the most beautiful Tint Worlds that we have. It is large enough for all of our services, the beautiful showroom to demonstrate everything, and it's ultra clean in here.
So store's been open now for exactly 2 months, and these guys have done a great job of building the name in the community here. Everybody I've spoken to today so far has said that they found us by our Facebook events that we're doing and by what the team here is doing on the grounds in Carmel.
So today we have a car show out front, we've got some giveaways, we've got raffles, we've got pizzas, cookies. It's just a fun environment to bring the whole family and see what we do and hang out and have a fun day.
My name's Cameron. I do all the electronic 12-volt speakers, amplifiers, subwoofers, lighting, headlights, anything electrical you can think of.
My name's Thomas Hood, and I'm the ceramic coater and detailer.
My name is Travers, window tinter here at Tint World.
This store is laid out uniquely in that it has multiple garage doors, so each service has its own location, which keeps everything clean and separated. They have a fully isolated wash bay in the back, so they can wash cars and it'll never touch the environment out here where the tint is happening.
I think doing audio is my favorite. It's just awesome to see a system that's listenable, but it totally blows somebody's mind.
My favorite Tint World service is applying the ceramic coating, the before and after, and how good it actually protects the paint and what the values of it really does just blows my mind.
Customers up here are loving this new business. It's a great new environment for Tint World because it's our first store in the Indianapolis market.
Beautiful location here. Floors are great. The lobby is very modern, very welcoming for people to just come on in, hang out, learn about all the different services that a Tint World offers. Speaking as a female, it is incredibly nice to come into a very clean shop. So thank you to everybody who's come out. We really look forward to continuing to service the needs here in Carmel.